here. So I found this post on Hacker News about reverse engineering the Facebook Messenger API, and he showed me a lot of cool shit, specifically how to reverse engineer APIs. And I knew some of this before, where you like inspect element and you look for these stupid HXR requests. So you go here and then you go to the network tab, and then you look at this, and then you like click a button, and let's do it over here. So inspect, okay, network, oop, 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 network, oh my God, network, XHR, then you click submit, for example, and you see these requests getting popped up. And so then you copy the curl. So you go here, copy as curl. And then what he did is he's like, oh, well, I actually like HTTP, the command line thing better, which I guess I did this too. Curl syntax is a little annoying. I don't know. Anyways, he found this thing that converts curl into HTTP, which is great. So I used that. And he said a lot of these headers are just like completely unneeded. And so it turns out that that is true. So I had these two big requests, one for the submission and one for the check. Let me get rid of this, I think, because I already have that one up. Oh, that's the curl. This is the HTTP. Okay. But this is actually the important stuff is down here, the reduced. So these are the HTTP commands with all the extra headers removed. You can see here the API is pretty simple. You get this cookie, you get a refer, which refers you to the problem. You get this other cookie that's like a forgery token. Then you'd say the language, the question ID, and then the code, and you just call this and it does it. And let's see what happens when I call this. Is I get back some JSON with a submission ID. And now if I go here and I get the status of my submission, you'll see state success, compile error, full compile error. And so presumably I want to store all of this JSON. And so AI LeetCode 4, which is the fourth iteration of this whole thing, is going to be taking all of these 1,000 problems that I have, then in this loop here, all I need to do is, instead of submitting the problem here where I like use Selenium to send the keys, which had this stupid thing where I would send a key, and if you look at this editor, if you send a key here, I'm in Vim mode. If you do this, you get an extra curly. So that shit would like, it doesn't work. So here, the great thing is that I can post the exact body, and I think I should be able to get up, a lot higher. The next step is going to be, so if we look at my LeetCode rank, I'm at 166,000. I think I can get way higher than this because I haven't even tried that's so funny. I haven't even tried to use GPT-4 really because it was so expensive when I first got access, but I think they might have reduced the cost because I feel like I've been using it and it's a little bit cheaper. But anyways, so the part of this that's important is basically we want to make the prompt get C. We want to rename this thing to be get prompt. Okay, then this is the full prompt with the starter code. But what I actually want to do is a lot of this code. I think I should probably do this. Let me put it into a module or something. Because what of these do I need? Do I use this one? I use this one. Right. So full sol remove last line. That's such a stupid hack. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go over every problem. I don't have that many. What is this JSON? What is this JSON? Right. Right. And somehow I did get. Let's see if I can reverse engineer more of this. Is China IP? What the fuck? Hey, yeah, hey, yo. He said something with the har. Hardy har har. Save all as har with content. Mm. I don't actually know what that is. But this is a great post. Dude, nothing I'm doing is wrong. I'm literally just like chilling. Like, okay, fine. So, is it like a text format? Like, what is it? Yeah, it's a bunch of JSON. Oop. Content. This is like. I think that's the one, right? Isn't that what I want? Contains hi Camilla. So for my case, contains given an array of integers. Bro. So we want to find out which one that is. So let's just try this thing. Do I have JQ? I might not even have JQ. Brew install JQ. I'm a J. Crew model. Alipay key tool? What the fuck? They're like, what is this? Okay, fine. What does this mean? Brew new formula. Does that mean that? I feel like those aren't installed. Okay, what about this? List installed brew. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, so fine. That is pretty confusing though. Okay, so now that we have that, we want to do data har dot log entries. I feel like that's not right. Contains given an array of messages. Entries. Okay, cool. Okay, I think it's just that. I'm sorry. I don't know how to use this thing. I feel like that's the response. I feel like I'm only supposed to copy in this thing. Oh, okay, I see. Yeah. Hi, Camilla. That's a matter of finding the corresponding place in the browser network tab and then copying that as curl. Okay. Is it not possible to just search in all of these things? One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 30. How many are there? It's like the 40th one down. It seems like it's after is China IP though. But it's not. Mm. 60. Oh, it was after it. Am I an idiot, dude? What's up?
Okay, I'm gonna get there at 2:42. I was gonna get there earlier, but my mom called me and distracted me, so I missed the turn, and now it put me back like 5 minutes. So.
Alright, I'm gonna eat half the sandwich.
No,
I'm just
I'm
kidding. I'm
hungry.
just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna eat the
Okay.
sandwich. Alright, cool. Alright, I'll see you in a sec.
Bye.
Bye. Alright, cool, cool, cool. So here we go. So this, now we copy this as curl. Hardy har har. Okay, so this allows us to get... Bro, that's beautiful, dude. And is lang a... Oh, this is just the question content, right? Okay, so now what we want to do is get the API for... Or actually, let's go back to C++. Let's see, is this in our archive? So that's 84. That's the one after, I think. Oh, this is nothing. That's the query. This is the GraphQL query. Synced code lang. Beautiful. ID and lang. That makes sense. So synced code. How do we find... I feel like I've looked through all of them. Similar question. Oh, sick. Okay, that's easy, bro. All right, so which ones are needed? Just cookie refer. Wait, can we so this one gets prompt text code snippets. Girl, girl, a burl, a tiki tiki burl, a girl, a burg, a tiki tiki burg, a burg, a lurg, a burg, a tiki. What? Tiki tiki burg, 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 tiki tiki burg, burg, burg. Random UUID. We're gonna see. I feel like, what did he say about the GraphQL things? Okay, so let's see if this works. Oh, we need to do the thing though. Post body sent invalid JSON. Well, let's just try to do this because I don't really mind the curl, honestly. What the fuck? Dude, no way. What the fuck? That's weird. It's a weird syntax. Okay. All right, so this is going to be easy. So we can get rid of a lot of the Python just by looping. Okay, so this gets the prompt text. Why didn't this one work? It said cannot guess post data format. Okay, what happens if I do this? I'm pretty sure you're running into the same thing. Okay, I don't care. We got the problems with curl. Let's just remove all the extra shit. Title slug. Two dash slug. Two dash sum. And what's the other query? Question content title slug? Is that the prompt text? Say old. You can remove all the. Right, there's 4 there. That makes sense. Okay, this gets the prompt text. Okay, so let's go boop, boop, boop. Boop. Boop, boop. Wait, boop. No, 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 no. Okay, cool. So now I should be able to just. I'm pretty sure I should be able to just do this. Must provide query string. I feel like this gave me a problem though. With the what did I fuck up though? Because this one works, right? Wait, let's try that one more time though. None of these are needed. This isn't needed. This isn't needed. This isn't needed. This is not needed. So let's see, did something happen? Okay, so something broke. Okay, I don't really care. This gives me the code snippets. The reduced one didn't seem to work. Okay, I'm gonna go on a walk. I'm gonna try to finish this up. Oh, I'm willing to spend like $100 on this video of API credits. Like, it's worth it to do it right. So basically the goal is to have the breakdown of like success rate by language by model. So 2 strata. Okay, I gotta go.